Owl Animal Invasion Day. The doghouse where I spend most of my life. So a couple minutes ago, that tree snapped off. Almost hit a leg on the bike. And I noticed the other one earlier had snapped off. That would be. Big screen ain't working. What's going on here? So that's how they change them. Little itty bitty boxes. Everybody's gone. Back on the ship. Gonna play us some pickleball. The lines are kind of cheesy. I just basically tape and then we use the pickleball line. A little strange. Alright, so we're heading to dinner. It's day, well, technically 6.
It's
And
Thursday.
It's the first night we've made the main dining room.
Yeah, and we're going there.
Else.
We're going there because it's formal night. They're going to have lobster.
Lobster.
This
baby.
guy loves lobster.
I love lobster.
Loves lobster.
Especially free lobster.
Oh, yeah. Well, believe me, we paid for it one way or another.
Yeah. I'm sure.
But anyway, we're going to dinner. I'm going to get prime rib.
All right. I'm getting lobster.
All
Just in
right.
case you forgot.
And the ship is a rocking.
It is
It's
a
rough
rocking tonight.
Yeah.
It's been very smooth up to this point.
Yeah.
All right.
Fine.
Bye.
See you in the dining room.
See you. Grilled cheese sandwiches and chips and a shrimp cocktail to start with.
Lobster.
I started off with a mushroom soup. Got a mushroom soup.
There you go. Soon to be on the shrimp.
Got calamari. Oh, and I'll just go this way.
Just wait, because she's got
Kathy
about
got one of everything.
she's got about like 5 more plates coming right now. So just wait.
And I got a shrimp cocktail. Terry gave me her other 2 shrimp. And Mark's still picking out on other stuff. Added a Caesar salad.
No, that's
And-
a spinach salad.
Whatever.
Spinach salad.
And Kathy added the calamari. We're gonna be here all night. Terry got the prime rib. Mark got nothing. Kathy got, well, a lot. Just I haven't had nothing right now.
I got basketball shots. You got?
Oh, that's
You
all
got
the
the
juice.
sirloin.
Why did I get it?
I don't know.
Got lobster. Mark got lobster.
I took my board.
And Kathy got lobster. Again. Alright, Terry got a banana split. I got a banana split. Jen got some kind of
A raspberry,
like custard.
but it's.
Deb got custard.
I
They
hope.
got nothing.
They are renewed for season 3.
Sorry, Mark.
Oh no, I think
Got the
that
warm
book is
chocolate
pretty
milk.
thick.
That's what I say. It's probably like
Kathy got
It
fresh
is.
fruit.
I want to say it has like 800 pages.